Vaughn with Vector Systems here. Behind me is 25J8. It's a modular ammonia process systems, what we call our MAPS units. This is a all-in-one ammonia system from truck unloading to storage and handling to forwarding pumps and vaporization equipment with controls in a single package that fits on an 18-wheeler. A lot of times customers are buying loose pieces of equipment and locating it in various areas. If a customer needs a consolidated modular package, we have that product available for them. We also can scale this up or down depending on the customer's ammonia usage needs. Over in material prep, we're getting started on 25J40. That's going to be a double-decker fuel gas conditioning package. That was laid out by one of our designers here, Jay. Jay's going to talk more about that equipment as well, but it allows us to meet a customer's requirements while still giving platforms and access to the various pieces of equipment. So we're going to follow that project through our shop in order to highlight our manufacturing capabilities. Call 1-866-BUY-SKID to get one.